Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, we're going to show you how to change Roblox username without 1000 Robux. First, open your browser and then go to roblox.com. From here, click on the gear icon on the top right and then click on Help. Once you're here, scroll down and click on Contact Us. You will be redirected to this page. Now click on Support Form. From here, fill in all your information like your username and your first name, your email address, and then confirm your email address. After that, select your device type. Now, on the next section, choose Data Privacy Requests. After that, select Other Privacy Request. Now, describe your issue in the box as shown here. After it's done, just click on Submit. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.